Welcome to this week's edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. AbbVie's Atogepant has shown superiority over topiramate for migraine prevention. In clinical studies, 64.1% of patients on Atogepant achieved a significant reduction of 50% or more in monthly migraine days, showcasing its potential as a more effective treatment option. Lundbeck also presented new data at AHS on VYEPTI for migraine management. The results highlight VYEPTI's ability to improve patient-reported quality of life and long-term retention rates, supporting the idea of a holistic approach to migraine care, addressing more than just the frequency of attacks. Teva's AJOVY continues to demonstrate long-term effectiveness in preventing migraines. Over a 6-month period, more than 66% of episodic migraine patients saw a 50% reduction in their migraine days, with high adherence and a favorable safety profile observed throughout a 2-year study. Meanwhile, Theronica's Nerivio wearable device has shown durable relief for migraines. Its long-term efficacy was proven for both migraine with and without aura, making it a promising option for sustained migraine management. In another breakthrough, the diabetes drug liraglutide has been found to reduce migraines by targeting brain pressure. Chronic migraine patients reported a 50% reduction in migraine days, with the benefits attributed to reduced brain pressure, not weight loss. AbbVie Therapeutics is making strides in neuroinflammation imaging with its new nanomedicine radio tracers. These tracers successfully target microglia in multiple sclerosis patients and show promise for cancer imaging in preclinical studies. Immunic's vidofludimus is showing strong, long-term data for multiple sclerosis. In a study of relapsing remitting MS patients, 92.3% remained free of confirmed disability worsening after 144 weeks of treatment, reinforcing its potential as a long-term therapeutic option. Cumberland Pharmaceuticals has presented positive data for its Duchenne muscular dystrophy heart disease treatment. Ifetroban significantly improved heart function in DMD patients, along with a reduction in cardiac damage biomarkers, particularly with high-dose treatment. Larimar Therapeutics has revealed FDA recommendations for its Friedreich's ataxia program. The company received guidance on the safety database for Neom Labo Fuas and plans to submit for accelerated approval in 2026, with additional data expected by September 2025. Johnson & Johnson's AJOVY shows sustained disease control for myasthenia gravis. This new treatment demonstrates superior disease control compared to other FcRn blockers, with significant improvements in MG-ADL scores at multiple time points. In a groundbreaking development, the FDA has cleared the Happy Ring for at-home diagnosis of sleep apnea and insomnia. This wearable device offers 97% concordance with traditional in-lab sleep tests, providing patients with a convenient and effective diagnostic tool. Bayer has submitted a new drug application for gadoquatrain, a new low-dose gadolinium-based contrast agent. This agent reduces the gadolinium dose required for MRI scans, offering benefits to patients who need multiple MRIs over time. Finally, argenx's Vyvgart has been approved in Europe for the treatment of chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, or CIDP. Clinical trials show significant improvements in mobility, strength, and function for patients living with CIDP, offering a new treatment option. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.